Tired of manually creating charts from scratch or seeing amazing charts online but having no way to reuse or edit them? Today I'm going to show you how to do all those things using PlotSet Chrome Extension, so stay tuned. First, head over to the Chrome Web Store and install the PlotSet extension. Click on the extension icon and log into your PlotSet account. You're ready to start visualizing. Let's say you find a paragraph with data in an article. Just highlight the text, right-click, and choose Extract Data from Text from PlotSet's menu. In just a few seconds, PlotSet reads the content and transforms it into a clean, interactive chart, fully editable and ready to download. Want to change colors or simply modify it? You can easily customize it in PlotSet's panel to match your needs. And then whenever you're done with your changes, you can simply click on Export button and export it as SVG, PNG, or JPG. Now here's another powerful use case. You stumble upon a great chart, but it's just an image. No problem. Simply upload it through the Upload Image button in the extension. PlotSet uses AI to recreate an interactive version of the chart, editable, scalable, and instantly usable. When you're done, click on the Share button and copy the embed code. Now you can easily add this interactive chart to your website or blog. PlotSet is the fastest way to bring your data into life right from your browser.